Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Today I'm going to show you Cloud Shell, especially in Azure platform Cloud Shell, how it's useful. So most of the people knows we can use Cloud Shell using that um, Azure CLI as well as Azure PowerShell, and we can run it. Other than that, what we can do it, and full screen of Cloud Shell, how we can get it, and what are the other build tools or Docker or what are Terraform or other languages like Python, Java, .NET, is it supported or not, Cloud Shell. So like all those things I'm going to show you guys how it different variety of features and how we can work, and some shortcuts we'll try to understand here. And before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like my videos, please like and give the comments. And it's very encouraging to me. And if you give in the comments and like and subscribe, thank you guys. And let's jump into the topic Cloud Shell, Azure Cloud Shell. So whenever we log in the Azure portal, we can see here icon Cloud Shell. If you click on Cloud Shell, and if you are not configured, and it should be as the storage account, because of it's a mount, that a specific file share mount it will create it guys for this, and it will maintain the this image kind of image it will create it based on our user account. It will create a one file share on that. It's a image is available. I will show you that part also. And this is a two things available, PowerShell and Bash. Whenever click on PowerShell, generally people will think only PowerShell, Azure PowerShell, or Bash means only Bash, like that. Not like that, guys. And I can show you what are the other things it's supporting. Let's clear. This is a one. And here, if I'm going to Terraform, suppose Terraform, enter, and you can see it's supporting or not all the commands. Generally, if it is a Terraform, which version is a running Terraform, you want to see it, Terraform version, and you can see yes, version of the date, latest date is a 1.4.6. That means up to date. It's a Microsoft, this Cloud Shell up to date, guys. They will keep on update. No need to worry about that one. Latest, all the things they are going to keep on supporting and updating the things. As well as I can show you Java, suppose you want to see it, and Java commands. So what version Java, hyphen version, and you can see open JDK and 17.0.7 and so LTS long term, and like that. Same like it's other languages also, Python. Suppose let me show you clear. This is a one Python version, and you can see 3.9.14. Same like it's a .NET supported Ruby, Node.js, Node hyphen version. And you can see Node version is a 16.19.1. Like it's a support the Docker also. You can see, guys, Docker. I think I'm not sure. Docker is check it like this way, or yes, this is a Docker command only. Docker version 20.10.24 build. This is a so and so build. So like even test editors also is available, Vim, and so many other test editors also. It's a by default built-in is available, guys. No need to perform ourselves. These all those things. Everything it's a like build tools like Maven and npm and other build tools also is available, as well as test editors, as well as shell commands, PowerShell commands, Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, uh, so many Docker and Kubernetes related commands, kubelet, and as well as Python, Node.js, um, like all the like a lot of things are they are supporting, guys. So you want to see it, I can show you the document also. You can refer it. What are the by default they are supporting in the Cloud Shell? That is a one thing, guys. And second thing, if you want restart this Cloud Shell, this session, and totally it's a restart. You can see button, it's a kind of power button. Click on and restart the Cloud Shell. Restarting Cloud Shell will terminate your current session and create a new one for you. Any running process will be terminated. So if you want, you can do it, guys. There is no restriction at all, and there is no limit to use the Cloud Shell also. Why I'm saying limit means in the other cloud, especially Google Cloud, you can see uh, is a Google Cloud Shell. If you want to use it, 50 hours per weekly, something is a limitation is available. But here, no limitation, guys. No limitation. And help, if you require any help, that means it's a documentation, Cloud Shell overview, PowerShell references, and how to copy paste also, and things. Generally, if it is a Windows system and web browser, if you are using, and copy generally Control C only, but paste is a Shift insert key. You should use it, guys, not Control V, in especially in Windows. And we should use the Control C for copy and paste for Shift insert key. We should use it, so that only it will work. That is recommended by Microsoft. If it is a Mac OS, Control C, Control V only, no problem at all. In Mac OS system, if you are performing this thing, and Control C and Control V only. Okay, so you can see here Cloud Shell overview. If I click on especially Cloud Shell and things, features and tools, if you click on this one, and what are the features is available, and all the it's a creating the drive. So whenever we created, this is a one, and pre-installed tools, this is the one I'm talking previously, and Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, AG copy, Azure Function CLI, Service Fabric CLI, Batch, Shipad, Blob, Expert, and Linux tools, Bash, Jet, SSH, and TMUX, and Diag, test editors, Nano, Vim, and source control, Git, GitHub, CLI, build tools, Maven, Make, NPM, PIP, and containers related Dockers, and kubelets, and database also. You can see, guys, MS SQL, PostgreSQL, SQL commands, as well as other thing, Ansible, Terraform, Chef, Puppet, and Office 365, and other languages, .NET, Go, Java, Node.js, PowerShell, Python, Ruby. These are all pre-installed, pre-built. Totally, it's already pre-installed on Azure CLI, up to date. It's taken care by Microsoft, guys. Microsoft, no worries about that one. And coming to here, next is a gear icon. It's a font size. If you want to increase the font size, you can keep it large, and you can see. And if it is a medium, like this way, and font, it's changing the font, and by default monospace. Other than that, you can change it and reset the user settings. If you want setting the reset the settings, terminate your current session, and unmount your linked storage account. Link storage account, when reconnecting Cloud Shell, you will promote attached to the storage account. You can promote and attach the storage account. So one more beautiful feature, and here I can show you. Next is I will tell you that one also. Upload. You can upload any files, any what you upload the any files means it's a kind of your PowerShell files or Python files or any other files also. You can upload it and download it anytime. That is also possible. And a very beautiful feature, manage the file share. If you click on this one, and where is our path, where is our, this is a Cloud Shell related path. This is a one, guys, as a file share is a created. This is a one we can mount on our Windows system, Linux system, or Mac OS system. And instead of coming to browser, if you are working and you want to maintain in the Cloud Shell only that files and everything, and you can use it. So it's a very beautiful thing, and we can mount as a thing whenever it's a through web browser, any place you are trying to, again, if you are not using your laptop, still you want to use it, your files, like kind of your PowerShell script or Python script files and everything, and you can use it. It's a maintained in the Cloud Shell only, and you can utilize it. That is a beautiful feature. You can mount, and we can share as well as any system, Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. And this is a upload and download. Let's try to upload it where it's that files is available. Suppose this is one of the PowerShell script, and click on open, and very quickly it's a uploaded, it's a completed. And where is a path? /home/Kiran. This is a my present working directory pwd. If you give an enter, and you can see this is a path /home/Kiran. Under that, this file is uploaded. If you want to check it, I can show you where is that file. And next one, beautiful feature, open text editor. So what I upload the PowerShell script, I want made some changes because of based on my requirement. I want made the changes. Generally, people will think I can made it changes again, uploaded again. I need to run. Not required, guys. Not required. I can show you here. ls, where is file? This is a transform policy iPhone PS1. So I want to edit this PowerShell file. So here open editor is available. You can click on and we can identify the file. Other than that, from this console, code and space, and you can give the dot and slash and that name of the file and click on enter. And let's wait. Okay, something wrong. Code dot slash transform. Okay, I need to provide properly that name of the file, iPhone policy dot ps1. Okay, something wrong. And it should be open, guys. Like this way it will open. Other than that, I can show you, no worries. And click on open editor, and our file is a transform policy ps1. And you can see based on that language is a highlighted. So very simple. How is a Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio IDE? Any IDE, if you open based on language highlighted, this is also this open editor supported. Open editor, it's supported, guys. And very beautiful feature. And we can see here, we can edit it. So based on that, we can easily, suppose I'm going to curly back and changes and something like, I can give it and changes. I can do it anything here. I can do it and modify the file. How to close it? So very simple. It's nothing showing. Click on here and right side corner above is a gray is a bar is available. Here we need to close it or save it. How to save means save the, this is a open editor that change after change. You can save it and close editor and open the file and command let F1 if you click on, and you can see here add cursor above, add cursor below, add cursor line ends, add line comments, and these all those things also we can do it. So here these all commands they given. Even shortcut keys you can see control alt up arrow, control alt down arrow, shift alt L, and accordingly we can use the shortcut keys also. And you can see find next, so many shortcuts also is available, guys. You can refer it. So very useful, and without any other kind of Visual Studio Core, if you are suddenly don't have, still you want to edit it. So how to do it? Very simple. In this Cloud Shell, you can modify it. You can modify it. You can write a code also. It's a possible, guys. You can write your own code also. Here, it's a possible. Very beautiful feature, guys. Open editor. I want to close it. Close the editor and save it. So because of I made that change, that's the reason it's asking save it. I saved it. Even generally it will open code, and like this is a way, if you open, it will open, guys. Generally it will open. Something issue with this, I need to refresh and do it so that it might be it will work. Okay. This is about Cloud Shell, guys. If you like my video, please give the comments below, as well as give the like, as well as if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and please give me the encouragement for me, so for creating more videos. Thank you.